This procedure is for GED technicians only, as it requires super administrator rights. Its purpose is to move the ABB robots to their calibration or zero positions. This should be done prior to replacing the SNB battery, which should be done every 3 years. This may also be done to verify the robot's witness marks aligned for the 6 axes. If one or more axes were not properly aligned when the revolution counters were updated, you would notice that one or both of the robots are not cleaning properly, and excessive adjustments to the toolpath would be necessary. If this is the case, follow this procedure to align the robots to their witness marks and update the revolution counters. This is being done on an RC2000 for demonstration purposes. The illustrations here show the 6 axes and the witness marks associated with each axis. When moved to the calibration position, each of the witness marks should line up if the machine's revolution counters were properly calibrated. The purpose of moving to this position prior to the SMB battery replacement is to verify that the witness marks are properly aligned, and since the removal of the battery will cause revolution counters to be lost, it will be easier to update the revolution counters since all axes will already be at their calibration position. Verify the flex pendant is installed. Obtain master start, press robot motors on, and switch to the manual mode. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Log Off Default User. Choose Yes when prompted to verify log off. Use the drop-down menu and select Super. Then press the keyboard button and enter the password. Press OK. Press the drop-down menu in the top left corner and select Program Editor. Select TROB1 on the screen and then use the drop-down again to go to the Program Editor and select TROB2. Both robots should be selected in the bottom left corner. Press the ROB1 axis button in the lower right-hand corner and select the bottom icon. Verify TROB1 and TROB2 are both checked and the master is not checked. Tap the bottom center of the screen to exit. Select TROB1, Debug, then PP to Routine. Use the single cursor or multi-cursor to toggle to the Go to Calib routine and press OK. Repeat for TROB2. Press the TROB2 button, Debug, and then PP to Routine. Toggle to the Go to Calib button and press OK. Pick up the flex pendant and gently press the dead man switch. Press the Start button to the bottom right of the flex pendant to move the robots to the calibration position. You may now power down and go to the battery replacement procedure, or verify the witness marks for the 6 axes of the robot, which should be done following the resetting of the rev counter's procedure.